Welcome to Venturz. In this video, we'll show you how to use Venturz Database feature. Let's get started. Let's go to the Database section. To create a new database, simply click on the Create Database button and enter the database name. In this section, you can either create a database manually or upload it via CSV file. We'll create it manually. Now that our database is created, let's set it up. First, we'll add columns. Click on the plus icon to add columns. Click on the plus icon to add as many columns as you need. To edit any column, click the edit icon. From here, you can change the column name and select options from the drop-down menu as you want. Click the Save button to save your changes. We'll use the same process to edit the columns as needed. You can also change the columns using this method. To add entries to the columns, click on the Add Entry button. From here, you can add entries to the columns you've created. Add the data, such as name, email, and number, accordingly. Then, click the Create button, and your entries will be added to the database. Using this process, you can add as many entries as you want. If you want to update an entry, simply click on it and make your changes. Click on the three dots. From here, you can edit, delete, and export the database. If you want to delete an entry, simply click on the delete icon, and the entry will be removed from the database. Now that we've created our database, we'll show you how to turn it into a live directory on your website. Open the page where you want to display your directory. Type / to open the block search. In Search Directory and hover over the directory block, you'll see a list of all the databases you've created. From here, you can pick which database you want to use for this directory. Now, click on the 6 dots and got the advanced settings. In this panel, you can choose which columns to show. You'll see a list of all the fields from your database. Simply click to select or unselect any column. Only the columns you select will be visible in the directory on the page. You can also control how many entries to show. For example, you can show 5, 10, 20, or more rows from your database. Just pick the number that works best for your page. If you have a large database, in Advanced Settings, click on Filters option. From here, you have to just set the logic you want, and the directory will update to show only those matching entries. Click on 6 dots to open the settings options. Here, you can change the background color, add or edit borders, adjust spacing, and tweak other style settings. Use these options to make the directory match your brand and design. Let's look at what your users will experience on the live site. When you publish the page, your visitors will see a live, interactive directory. They will be able to search within the directory, and they can filter the data to find specific values or information they care about. So instead of a static table, they get a smart, searchable directory that is always connected to your database. Next, we'll show you how to add database as a block on your pages. Type / and write database, then hover over it and select the one you want to add. Next, let's control what data appears in this block. On the top left of the block, click the 6 dots to open the advanced settings. The first thing you can control here is the fields that are displayed. You'll see a list of all the fields from your database. Simply click to select or unselect any field. Only the fields you select will be visible inside each item in the block. Next, you can set the number of records to display and also control the number of columns in the layout. Here, you can set how many columns you want. Now, the best part is that you can edit the formatting of each field using a rich text editor. Click on any field inside the block, and you'll be able to change things like text style, headings, font size, alignment, and other formatting options. So you can make the title look like a heading, make the description smaller, or highlight important information. And here's a very helpful detail. When you edit the formatting of a field in one item, the same field in all other items is automatically updated. This keeps your design consistent across the entire block, without needing to style each item one by one. If you want to create bulk pages using the Venturz Database, we've made a separate video on that topic. I'll mention the link to that video in the description. You can check it if you want.